What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to add contacts in the Brevo. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. There always an Aura AI option that you can use. Other than that, here you see that if you haven't added any single contact so far, it will say add your first contact. So either you can import your contacts using CSV files or copy and paste it from the XLS files. Other than that, you can simply import a file from your system. Just go ahead and import it. So right now I have a demo contact list that I'm gonna upload. Here it goes, confirm your file, and once it's been confirmed, the Aura AI will analyze the data, search for the patterns, and then it will sort it out according to it. So even though it says the city is not required, so we won't be able to import it, and there is no tag and attributes regarding the city. So we're going to skip that and do not import it, and then click on confirm mapping. And once it's been confirmed, I can name my list later, but I'm just going to go with your list, your first folder, first, and then confirm your list. There we go. And once it's done, update the attributes of the existing, import empty fields to erase the attributes data, blocklist the import emails and all that. I confirm and then go ahead with that. So here you can see that I have imported the contacts. That way you'll be able to do so as well. So take care. Bye bye.